Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of budget gaming PCs with a twist: mini PCs. Forget bulky towers, because these compact powerhouses can deliver smooth gameplay without breaking the bank. Mini PCs are perfect for gamers who crave a sleek and space-saving solution. They pack a surprising punch for everyday tasks and even some serious gaming. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be tricky. Worry not, because we've compiled the top 5 best budget mini PCs for gaming in 2024. We'll be considering factors like processing power, graphics capabilities, upgradability, and of course, price. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to find the perfect mini PC that fits your budget and gaming needs. So grab your controllers because it's time to minimize your PC and maximize your gaming experience. Let's jump in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Blackview MP200. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, making it a great choice for casual gamers or those on a tight budget. The Blackview MP200 keeps things simple with an Intel UHD Graphics 630 processor and integrated graphics. While it won't run the latest AAA titles on max settings, it's perfectly capable of handling older games and some lighter esports titles. Think browsing the web, streaming videos, and playing some less demanding games. The Blackview MP200 is a great entry point into the world of mini PC gaming, especially considering the unbeatable price tag. Links to all the products in this video will be down below in the description, so you can easily compare features and prices. Number 4. AMD Ryzen Mini PC. Next up, we have a contender that hasn't quite hit the scene yet, the AMD Ryzen Mini PC. Several manufacturers are expected to release mini PCs powered by the new AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors later in 2024. These upcoming mini PCs are shrouded in a bit of mystery, but the potential is exciting. The Ryzen 7000 series processors promise strong performance, making them ideal for 1080p gaming, and potentially even some 1440p titles. They might offer excellent performance at a competitive price point. Number 3. Intel NUC12 Enthusiast. Moving on to number 3, we have the Intel NUC12 Enthusiast. This mini PC takes customization to a whole new level. Unlike the previous options, the NUC12 Enthusiast doesn't come with a pre-installed graphics card. Instead, it offers the flexibility to choose from various Intel Alder Lake processors, like the Core i7-12700H, and the option to add your own discrete graphics card. This level of customization allows you to tailor the NUC12 Enthusiast to your specific needs and budget. Want a powerful processor for demanding games? Check. Need the extra oomph of a dedicated graphics card for high-fidelity visuals? You can add that too. The flexibility of the NUC12 Enthusiast comes at a price. The base model starts around $500, and that's before you factor in the cost of a graphics card. Additionally, installing a graphics card requires some technical know-how. However, for those who want a mini PC that can grow with their gaming needs, the NUC 12 Enthusiast is a compelling option. Number 2. Beelink CR6 Gaming Mini PC. At number 2, we have the Beelink SCR6 Gaming Mini PC. This option strikes a nice balance between performance and price. The CR6 comes equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-12500H processor, which delivers solid performance for 1080p gaming and can handle some less demanding 1440p titles. The real star of the show here is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. The GTX 1650 allows for smoother gameplay at higher settings in 1080p and can handle some 1440p titles. The downside? The RAM and storage are a bit limited and not very upgradable. However, for the price, the Beelink CR6 offers a well-rounded package for gamers who prioritize performance without going overboard on the budget. Number 1. Minisforum Venus Series UM773. Finally, at number 1, we have the Minisforum Venus Series UM773. This mini PC offers exceptional value for the price. The UM773 packs a punch with an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. This processor is a beast for 1080p gaming and can even handle some 1440p titles at decent settings. While it doesn't have a dedicated graphics card, the AMD Radeon 680M integrated graphics deliver surprisingly smooth gameplay in most modern titles at 1080p resolution. The UM773 also shines in terms of upgradability. You can expand the RAM up to 32GB by DDR5 for improved multitasking and future-proof your system. There's also space for additional storage, so you can keep your growing game library happy. With its excellent processing power, upgradability, and fantastic price, the Minisforum Venus Series UM773 takes the crown for the best budget mini PC for gaming in 2024. Let's recap why the UM773 stands out. The AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor tackles 1080p gaming with ease and can even hold its own in some 1440p titles. Future-proof your system by expanding the RAM up to 32GB DDR5 for smoother multitasking and adding more storage for your game library. The UM773 offers fantastic performance for its price, making it a great choice for budget-minded gamers. Keep in mind that the UM773 relies on integrated graphics. This means it won't be ideal for running the latest AAA titles at max settings. However, for 1080p gaming and even some less demanding 1440p titles, the UM773 delivers impressive performance. Overall, the Minisforum Venus Series UM773 is a fantastic option for gamers who want a compact, powerful, and affordable mini PC. It offers a great balance of performance, upgradability, and value, making it our top pick. Alright folks, that wraps up our top 5 best budget mini PCs for gaming in 2024. Remember, the best option for you depends on your budget and gaming needs. We explored a range of choices, from the ultra-budget-friendly Blackview MP200 to the customizable powerhouse of the Intel NUC12 enthusiast. There's a perfect mini PC out there for every gamer on a budget. Don't forget to check the video description below for links to all the mini PCs we discussed today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll find more information and current pricing to help you compare and choose the perfect mini PC to take your gaming to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech content. We'll see you on the next one.